torn between Active Hybrid versus Yaris V, which is the non-hybrid. Ano pong marirecommend nyo for a first car? Same lang din ata kasi sila, naka safety sense na, naka 360 na din. Si Active kasi hybrid siya, which is not really a big deal for me since work from home setup ako. Can you give me some advice po? Okay, sige. Social, battery, empty. We have a battle on our hands. Shoutout sa'yo. Tara, pag-usapan natin. So some of you guys know that I've always been a fan of the Yaris Cross. Kahit yung mid-variant niya na, which is nga si V, that you're considering, I think that the non-hybrid Yaris Cross is one of the best value for money na cars out there at around 1.3 million pesos. In short, napaka-hitik niya talaga sa features kasi. So you're gonna be getting a lot in the car really. And then not just the features but just look at it, man. Just look at the design. Para sa akin sobrang ganda niya talaga, exterior, and then not just that but I also love the premium interior. Now, just a few weeks ago, na-review natin yung Toyota Active, which is yung bagong version ni Vios na naka-hybrid ka na, no? Kumbaga, it's the most affordable hybrid that you can get today sa Toyota lineup. So that is a very compelling factor na din. For at 1.2 million, naka-hybrid ka na, I fell in love with the Toyota Active, to be honest. And as a Toyota Veloz V owner, I can totally relate with you with regards to the fact na work from home setup din kasi tayo eh. So I was thinking really na hindi ko kailangan ng hybrid. I'm good with this naturally aspirated engine. So ganyan din ako mag-isip, guys. Work from home setup, iwas naman ako sa traffic. Daily driving is not a problem for me. But yun yung panahon na medyo maliit pa sa yung anak namin. Now that medyo malaki na siya, mag-elementary na siya, dun medyo na-consider ko na oops, maybe hindi ko talaga maiiwasan talaga. Maybe I can't really escape yung hindi naman ako nagde-daily drive. And eventually, of course, tayo yung maghahatid dyan eh. So, kumbaga kahit work from home tayo, I think that we really need to consider as well na magde-daily drive talaga tayo. And that makes me think na, yun, honestly, maybe I'm considering really a hybrid or an EV nowadays. So yan lang naman, if hindi magiging big deal sa'yo yung hatid sundo ng anak thingy, then I believe you're gonna be very happy with the Yaris Cross V. So if you're someone or you know someone who's looking to get any Toyota vehicles, give me a PM on Facebook. Hopefully I can help you achieve your next car or your first car, ayan, especially if you're accessible to Cebu. So sana katulong, follow for more.